So this is going to be a drill that we are going to run out. We're going to go outside and do this particular drill just because we don't really have the space. But I'm going to explain it in here, okay? So what we're going to be doing is you have the ninja or the shinobi was known for having a short sword, right? And against the longer sword here. But it is what it is. Ninja are samurai, and they would have had a katana. They would have used whatever they needed. So let's not get into this Ninjato history, ninja sword stuff. Okay, let's just present this as you have a short sword compared to someone who has a longer sword. So you have like a wakizashi, a kodachi versus someone who's tachi or katana. Okay, they have a longer sword. You are going to be utilizing your shuriken to get them to maneuver themselves a certain way so that you can come in for the kill. Does that make sense? Right. Now, there's different ways that you want to stack the shuriken so that you can be able to be effective when you're moving around, right? So if we're here like this, let's say like moving here like that, you better move like hell, I'm gonna cut you up, right? So the idea is that when you're moving around, you kind of want to get them to flinch, and then you can come in and get the kill, right? Yeah. What's that?
Dead arm.
Yeah. So we're in here like this, and then you come in. The objective here is to be able to try to get them to flinch, move their head, move their whatever, so that you can come in with the shot. Because catch what the drill is. You're only going to get one shuriken. So if this person here, if he blocks the shuriken using the skill that we just practiced, right, blocking the shuriken, and he blocks your shuriken, then you're stuck with the fact that here you are, and his is bigger than yours, so you have to figure that one out real quick. Because they definitely have distance on you. Do you catch what I mean? Right. But we are going to practice that. See if you guys can create an opening. Right. I want to see if you guys can create an opening and then take advantage of it and strike certain areas. That's really the key here. Right.